Hi everyone and welcome back. It's James. I ordered a microwave oven from Amazon Japan and here it is. It's by a company called Iris Ohyama and it's really heavy, so let's just open it. Yeah. We have Japanese instructions. And the microwave. I got it out of the box. This microwave cost just under 60 bucks US. You're looking at the back of the microwave. The controls are in Japanese. Looking at the controls, up here we have three settings: 200 watts, 500 watts, and 700 watts. This is to defrost frozen foods. This character means weak. This character means strong. Down here we have the timer control. This is the off position. This is to defrost or warm up things that are about 100 grams. That is 1 minute, and 2 minutes, and 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. This microwave is quite small. We have a plate. And I'm going to remove this tape. This plate sits on this, like that. This spins around. Okay, so when you want to wash it, when you want to clean this, this comes right off. Okay. Oh, I see. This has to line up. There. Let's test it out. This is a Jamaican patty and it's frozen. Okay, I'm going to set it at, okay, it's set at 200. Let's see. Let's turn it on for a minute. Oh, I see the dial slowly going back to the off position. No, it's still frozen. Okay, I'm going to change the power to 500 watts and set it to 1 minute. Oh, nice and soft, but not quite. It still feels a bit hard. Okay, so I should have set it to 2 minutes. Okay, I'll do another minute. Oh, wow. Nice and steamy, and ooh, it's nice and fluffy, and it doesn't feel cold anymore. It works. Let's have a quick bite. It's lunchtime. Yep. Ooh. Mmm. Hot. This is a pretty good microwave oven for just under 60 bucks US. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.